Basil. All right, let's find your dish. Over here. Watch out, guys. Get that. Ed, where's your dish, buddy? Where's your dish? You gotta find somewhere to put all your food. Sometimes the pigs take off with their dishes. Let's find it. Oh, it's right there. Of course. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really just loving this warm weather. It's so nice. You don't have to wear 15 layers to go outside. It's nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm just grabbing the eggs. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an example of one of the things our pigs have dug up in the back where they are. I think my dad, who is a farrier, said he probably thought this was an old mule shoe. So who knows how old it is. It's probably pretty old. But yeah, I found probably 10 horseshoes dug up in the backyard where the pigs are. It's pretty cool, and they dig up other old pieces of like blown glass and just random stuff. I usually put it in a pile. It's kind of cool just to look at. What'd you guys find?
A caterpillar.
A caterpillar? Yeah,
Look
can I
at
see
the
it?
ball.
Yeah, they are. I don't know what the actual name for these are, but we call them woolly caterpillars. Just be careful with them and put them back after you're done looking at them. Can I dig for worms? A little bit. What's that right here? I see you in there, guys. I see you. Getting warm out here. I think we're just gonna pick up this fire ring, get out of the way. We haven't used it in a couple of years, so easier to mow around here, I guess. Get rid of it. That's a big stump. All right, let's see. Whew. All right, guys. Got some good dirt, manure. Just gonna sprinkle this around here. Well, it's just where we have our apple tree and our blueberry plant for right now. I threw manure at you? Oh, sorry. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Got a lot of those prickers out, those long, tall weeds. And we took the fire pit out. We haven't used that for years, so no bother keeping it. It's just in a way when we mow around here. Yeah, I'm not a professional by any means, but it's better than what it was. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next project.